Ross, Troy, come, we're supposed to make some bread. We make our bread. First of all, we're supposed to clean our hands. The hands first. Yes. Troy, put 4 cups of bread flour on this bowl.
Okay. One. I just throw it. Yeet.
And then just mix.
With our hands?
Yes, with your hands.
That feels nice. Nothing wrong with too much sugar.
No.
No.
Mix.
Are you guys enjoying this?
Yes, a lot.
Yeah.
Not doing the sticky pot. Huh?
Yes.
Looks exactly like it. Making bread is hard damn work. We have to let it sit for 30 minutes about there, and then put it in the cake pan and then bake it. And we're back, and I'm going to be spraying this bread tin, and Toy's going to be putting the dough in the bread tin. Okay? I'm going to dust my hands with flour so that the dough does not stick to my hands.
Even on top of
With the bread?
Yeah, top of there.
Okay, smells nice. Jeez, it would be so much easier just to buy the bread. Can I help you there? Now we're going to let it rise and bake it for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's go.
Time to bake.
Beautiful. Okay, Ross, we need to put some coals under the oven, and then we need to bake it. Okay, sharp. I'll get the coals.
Take again.
Ross, got the bread? Ready to cook.
Okay.
Hey Ross, now we need to put some coals on top. Okay.
Burn!
Right. Don't put more coals on top of your bread, just put it on the side. Now.
Right, let's go and open it up and see how our bread is doing.
Well, not. What?
Okay. Looks fantastic.
I think we just need to take off the coals that when I opened it.
Flip it, flip it. Shake. Shimmy and shake. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Woohoo!
That looks better than the bread at Spa.
Oh, God.
Okay, now we're gonna test our bread.
Take it one and taste it just to see if it's better than yours.
Yeah.
What's this?
That?
Okay, yummy.
Okay, we can
Yummy.
test.
This is nice.
Thank you.